As you choose the design for your deck, carefully consider how you'll use it. Whether you like to entertain, want privacy, or if you want a spot to take advantage of beautiful views, these will all impact the design you choose. And of course, accessibility is the most important factor. So determining your deck layout may be as simple as deciding where do you want to walk onto it from. Just be sure to consider both access from the house and the yard. You'll want to start by checking your local building ordinances regarding foundation requirements and property setbacks before you finalize any design. Setbacks mandate how far off the property line you can build any structure. This may determine the size or style of the deck you can build, so definitely look into this first as you plan your design. The next considerations are the locations of utilities that may be buried, like water, gas, or sewer lines. You can call your utility companies and request that they come out and mark where your lines are buried, so you know exactly what you're dealing with. You'll also want to make sure to leave room for other obstacles that you may not immediately consider, like exterior air conditioning units or egress windows. As you pull all this information together, it really helps to create a basic sketch with scaled dimensions. You can even include any furniture you plan to use on the deck so that you can plan for enough space for seating, entertaining, and traffic flow. You can make a simple sketch on graph paper, which makes it easy to draw to scale. Each box can represent 1 foot. Draw in the fixed dimensions, like the exterior walls and property lines first, then go from there. Another option is to find an easy online deck planning tool to work from. Many can actually be downloaded for free. Mapping out your design on paper or digitally will not only help you visualize the finished deck, it will also help you determine your material needs. No matter what your design is, great research and thorough planning will help make sure your deck building experience goes smoothly.